Hey, welcome back to our segment, guys. Today it's Bookkeeping Simplified, and we will be explaining to you what it really means. Bookkeeping, its significance, and what does it bring to your bottom line, and how much more stress-free your life is if you have somebody doing your bookkeeping. As simple as it may sound, this is what it means. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping refers to the practice of recording and tracking the financial transactions of a business entity on a day-to-day basis. Depending on the type of accounting system used by the business, each financial transaction is recorded based on supporting documentation. That documentation may be a receipt, an invoice, a purchase order, or some other similar type of financial record showing that the transaction took place. With accurate bookkeeping, a company can track all data on its books, allowing the company to make important decisions about its current operations and future goals.
Who are bookkeepers? Bookkeepers are any persons who input and manage all financial transactions and information for a company. Without bookkeepers, companies would not be aware of their present financial positions, as well as their daily transactions that occur within the company. Today, we are talking about the importance of bookkeeping. Businesses need to have a reliable bookkeeping system based on standard accounting rules and principles. The proper recording of all business-related activities and transactions allows small business owners to improve their decision-making process. The lack of bookkeeping strategies leads to the inability of small business owners to continue their business growth.
Proper bookkeeping gives companies a trustworthy measure of their company's performance. Bookkeeping provides a company with data so the company can create general and/or strategic decisions and a benchmark for its revenue and income goals. It is essential for businesses to keep accurate records of all money spent. Bookkeeping also gives external consumers, like investors or the government, access to consistent information to make better asset or lending decisions. For accountants to work on and get the necessary work done, they need all financial information accurate and at their disposal. It is important to note that accountants rely on knowledge and information handed to them, so bookkeepers make sure to keep the business financial records up to date and without any errors.
Bookkeeping needs to be maintained regularly. No matter what you're doing, you must schedule a regular update of your bookkeeping. As a business owner, you should have a clear and detailed discussion with your bookkeeper to schedule daily, weekly, monthly, and annual tasks necessary for the financial health of your business.
Thank you guys for watching. For more information, please give us a call at our phone number or email us at info@bookkeepingsimplified.net. That's net.net. See you guys soon. Ciao.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Please press like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Have a great day.